This is clearance corner number 3. 1 and 2 are gone. This is selling fast, so get in quick. So this one's called Palm Beach, 3 colors, nice and thick fabric, great for insulation. So this is Vibe. It's a beautiful plain fabric that you can wash. Sunblock is a plain rollerblind fabric with a beautiful flocked coating. So this fabric's called La Rive. I've got a cool white and a neutral white. Belize rollerblind fabric, 4 beautiful colors, beautiful organic texture. Beautiful blockout rollerblind fabric made by Wilson. This one's called Noosa and it's made in Wangaratta, Victoria. The good old Mantra Seagrass, we've just got 1 color left. So this sunscreen fabric has a 3% openness factor, so it's great for eye comfort. Beautiful silver black color in this sunscreen fabric called One Screen. Mantra light filter rollerblind fabric, 4 great colors, privacy, day and night. With a beautiful organic linen look weave, this is Sheer Nature 2. It's a beautiful Wilson fabric. This is a beautiful fabric from Wilson. It's called Romeo and we've got the 5 colors left. So this fabric's called Lanesque. It's got some great weight to it and it drapes beautifully with this beautiful natural weave.